Anyway, guys, this is Samani Peace and Vasily. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe to like it, comment, a happy festive season, happy Saturday. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself without me wasting your time. And let's get to start off today. Guys, Osamke or wrong, Osamke one attitude. She thinks the other wives need to accept her just like that. She's saying that she doesn't care about the other wives as long as she has a relationship, no matter. You can see ukuthi uMacele she's using uMakhwela, guys, and uMakhwela does not see anything wrong. So uyithathaphi uMakhwela ukuthi the other wives abamfiseli okuhle. Yes, the other wives they did mention on Uthando Nethemba season 8 ukuthi abamfuna wife number 5. Only Macele has accepted Usamke. Even though Umacele has accepted Usamke needs to stay away from Macele because she's gonna regret one day. Like really, Umakwela needs to stay away from Makwela, guys. It doesn't make sense. The things are just falling apart for Makwela, guys. Even though she doesn't have a problem with the other wives, but she must never say anything like if bona bangfuni namang bafuni. It doesn't work like that in Zitembu, guys. So sometimes as a young wife, you need to keep quiet. You need to act like you love both of them if you have to pretend. But it seems like Umakwela, she's already made a decision over Tiana. She will stick Nomakwele, the first wife. What happened when Umakwele changed her mind and say, you know what, angisafisi ukuba ne relationship Nomakwele, I'm just gonna do my own thing. Uzokalela kubani? Like Umakwela, she doesn't blind land, oh guys. It's tempo, it's very difficult. You need to have relationship with everyone. I don't care if you're close with Macele. You need to have a relationship. No Mayeni, no Tobile, no Mangwabe. Even if you guys call each other and have a WhatsApp number, it's a fine. There's no need for you to be bestie, but you need to have a relationship. And almost Samsalek is making things difficult because almost Samsalek guys, we are gossipa agadal. We know almost Samsalek guys, we have watched him from season 1 now on season 8. Almost Samsalek he will say this to the other wives and then he will say this to the other wives. Like almost Samsalek guys, the Umayeni wants to what e week is tembo Samsalek because he's always talking about other people to other people, guys. So we really feel sorry for Makwela, guys. The people are saying, oh, Makwela needs to stay away from Makwela before it's too late. She needs to do her own things. And people are saying, she looks like she's not happy. She's acting to be happy, guys. She acts as if Musamsa like a kiss. But Musamsa like we all know that everybody was complaining. Tobile was complaining. Umanga was complaining. Umayini was complaining about Musamsa like Musamsa like only cares about himself and Ingani Zabafana, Mpumelelo guys and others. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, so like it, comment. Happy Saturday, peace.